Hi. Today, we will see how to execute futures trades from TradingView to the Dan Broker platform. We will execute a futures trade via an indicator. Let's see a simple indicator code. See, this is an indicator function with the name Dan Alerts. If a candle is green, we will fire an alert using an alert function. You may use the alert condition function as well. So here, we show a buy message. And the alert will be executed when the candle closes, as we have defined such a frequency. We are not doing anything else in this indicator. You may create the indicator as per your choice. We will need to modify this indicator later. Okay. Now, go to the Dan Broker's web terminal and log into your account. Such a dashboard will open. Click the Orders option here. Select the Webhooks option. First, we need to activate our webhook. For that, click the Manage button. From here, you can select the validity of the webhook. I'm keeping it 24 hours. The webhook will expire after 24 hours, and I will have to activate a new one then. Now, click the Generate New button. Such a webhook URL will be generated. Copy and paste it somewhere. We will need it later. Now, here, select the Futures option. Click the Add Script button. In this window, type the name of the futures script upon which you want to take a trade. I will simply select the Nifty 50, which is shown here. OK. Now see here. Nifty is selected. Segment is futures. Product type is intraday. You may choose intraday or delivery from this list. Quantity is 1 lot. Price type is market. So we are going to execute a trade at the current market price. If you want, you can unselect this option and type your desired price. And see, green colored B is written here. That means we are going to buy. If you click this B, it will turn into a red-colored S, which means sell. I will keep it at buy as before. Now, after checking all these details carefully, click the Generate JSON button. Such a JSON string will be generated. Click this button to copy this JSON. Now, go back to the TradingView. We need to modify the code. Remove the buy word from here. See, I have written 2 single quotes here. Now, paste that entire JSON string inside these single quotes. Like this. OK. Now our indicator is ready. Let's set up the alert. Select the More option here. Click the Add Alert on Dan Alerts option. Dan Alerts is the name of my indicator. Your indicator name may be different. In this window, adjust the expiry date if you want. No need to touch anything else. In the message section, give an appropriate name to the alert. Now, in the notifications section, select the places where you want the alert to appear. I have selected Toast Notification, so that I will see the alert in my browser. Now, the most important option here is this webhook URL option. Paste your Dan webhook URL here. Finally, click the Create button. Go to the Alerts section here. And see if the alert is present or not. Now, we will wait for a green candle to appear on the chart, because that is our condition in the code. See, green-colored candle appeared. And we get an alert like this. Now go to the Dan web portal again. Go to the Orders section. Then go to the Today option. Here, I can see a Nifty futures trade executed. But since I have not kept any money in my trading account, the status is failed. Remember, if you are afraid to try this thing practically, then do not keep any money in your Dan account, and then try it out. That way, your order will get placed here, but it will be rejected by the exchange due to insufficient funds. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to execute a futures trade from TradingView to Dan Broker's terminal using a webhook. In the next few videos, we will learn how to trade options, and also how to execute trades via a TradingView strategy instead of an indicator. Thanks for watching.